Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Outlook calendar integration for LinkedIn networking step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the LinkedIn website. Log into your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the My Network tab at the top of the page. Click on the My Network tab to access your network overview. On the left sidebar, look for the Connections option. Under Connections, click on Manage. In the Connections Management area, find the option that says Calendar Integration. Click on Calendar Integration to start the setup process. You will see options for various calendar services. Select Outlook Calendar from the list provided. A prompt will appear asking for permission to connect your Outlook account. Click Allow to grant LinkedIn access to your Outlook calendar. You may be redirected to the Microsoft sign-in page. Enter your Outlook email and password to log in. If prompted, approve any security verification steps. You will be asked to confirm the permissions LinkedIn requests. Review these permissions carefully. Click Yes or Allow to finalize the integration process. Once connected, you will be redirected back to LinkedIn. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your Outlook calendar is now integrated. Your LinkedIn account can now access your Outlook events and availability. Review your calendar settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. You can now use your integrated calendar for networking opportunities on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.